Hello everybody! Today I'll be doing the checkerboard pattern on different size Rubik's Cubes. Here is the checkerboard pattern on a 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, and 7x7. Let's try the checkerboard pattern on some less traditional puzzles. This is a Shengshou mirror block. Here is the 4x4x6 cuboid. This also shapeshifts. Here's a Moyu Aosu 4x4 YiLing. This also shapeshifts. And here's the Moyu Wheel of Time. To perform the checkerboard pattern on a 3x3, simply do 2 M slices on 2 adjacent sides. Then rotate the cube to the right or left and do another 2 M slices. Now you have the cube that is fully checkerboarded. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked it and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!